Let's go through how you can make a free preview so you can see how everything's coming together before you finalize your video. From your event page, click the preview card. That's going to bring you to the preview section, where you have a chance to check the order and overall feel all before the final render. Just go ahead and click Make a Preview. This might take a few minutes, it all depends on how much media you've added. Once it's ready, you'll get an email notifying you. If you see something you want to change, like the order of the clips, background music, or the timing of photos, go ahead and make your edits. Then, just generate another preview. You can do this as many times as you need until everything feels just right. And that's it. With free previews, you can make sure your video is perfect.